topic is about outreach and charitable apostolate. So when we say outreach and charitable apostolate, it is an expression of the Catholic Church mission of love, compassion, and service. These acts are more than just social programs. They are rooted deeply in Christian values, specifically the call to serve others, especially to those most in need. So the specific objectives is to present real-life Catholic Church outreach programs. So this aims to provide actual examples of how the Church helps people through feeding programs, medical mission, disaster response, scholarship grants, and etc. It makes the concept more relatable and tangible for the audience. To highlight the role of pastoral apostolates in promoting social justice and compassion. The church outreach is not only about giving material aid, it is also about promoting justice, standing against inequality, and showing compassion to the forgotten members of society. Pastoral apostolates help bridge the gap between faith and action by fighting for systemic change. To showcase examples from the Diocese of Dipolog. This brings the discussion to the local level, showing what is being done within the Diocese of Dipolog, highlighting local examples, demonstrates that outreach is not just a global or national church initiative, but something alive and active in the local community. So, the key features of the nature of outreach and charitable apostolate is rooted in love and service. Outreach is grounded in the Christian commandment to love your neighbor. It is a response to the gospel call to serve others, reflecting Christ's example of love through action. These programs are acts of genuine care rather than just obligation. Often target the poor, marginalized, sick, elderly, and disaster victims. The focus of outreach is to serve those who are most vulnerable in society. This includes individuals and communities facing poverty, social exclusion, illness, old age, or those affected by natural calamities. These groups are often overlooked or neglected, and outreach efforts aim to restore dignity and hope in their lives. Next is organized by parishes, religious congregation, and diocesan commission. So these activities are not random acts of kindness, but are systematically organized within the Catholic Church structure. Local parishes, religious orders like nun or brothers, and diocesan officers plan and implement this mission, ensuring they are sustainable and aligned with Church of teaching.
Example, relief assistance, educational scholarship, feeding programs, medical mission. Relief assistance is immediate support provided to people affected by disaster, emergencies, or crisis to help them meet their basic needs such as food, water, shelter, clothing, and medical care. Educational scholarship is a financial aid or support given to students to help cover their cost of their education. It is usually awarded based on academic performance, financial needs, or talent. Feeding program is a community services initiative that provide free meals or food to individuals, especially children, elderly, or those in need, to help fight hunger and malnutrition. Medical missions are outreach activities where healthcare professionals provide their free medical services to underserved or remote community. Nag-offer po sila og check-up, treatment, medicine, and health education. Caritas Internationalis, it was founded in 1950 and is based on Vatican City. Nag-operate sila og over 200 countries and territories. They provide humanitarian relief, globally promote charity, justice, peace, and human development, inspired by the values of Catholic Church. Missionaries of Charity St. Teresa of Calcutta, it was founded in 1950 in India. They work with the poorest of the poor with love and compassion. They provide free care for the sick, homeless, abandoned children, and dying people, especially those who have no one to help them. Catholic Relief Services is a Catholic organization that helps people in need around the world, especially during emergencies like natural disaster, war, or hunger cases. They provide emergency aid, educational, and food security to help communities overcome poverty and build their life.
Outreach in the Philippine context. One of the example is Caritas Manila. Caritas Manila is the organization focused on livelihood programs, disaster response, and education assistance. One of the examples of their work would be providing emergency relief supplies and shelter to families affected by a typhoon, or offering skills training to help individuals find employment. Second is Pondo ng Pinoy Movement. This movement promotes grassroots giving for social services. Example of this is encouraging small regular donations from ordinary citizens to fund community-based projects like feeding programs for malnourished children or medical mission in unserved area. Third is Redemptorist Mission Outreach, Baclaran Church. This outreach is specifically dedicated to urban poor ministry. Example of their work would be providing spiritual guidance, social support, and basic necessities to families living in informal settlement within urban centers. Next is outreach program in the Diocese of Dipolog. First is feeding program for street children and for families. These programs provide food assistance to vulnerable populations and area carried out in collaboration within parish youth and volunteers. Second is medical and dental mission. This mission offered medical and dental services, often scheduled during fest season or Lent, to provide healthcare to communities, gift giving during Christmas or Pasko, handog. These programs involves the distribution of food packs and toys in various barangays during the Christmas season, sharing gifts and goodwills. Third is livelihood training and seminars. These initiatives aims to equip individuals with skills for sustainable livelihood and are conducted in partnership with local government unit (LGU) and diocese groups such as DASA. Scholarship supports. These programs provide financial assistance for education to poor but serving students, with support coming from the parish-based initiatives or individual benefactors.
Diocesan collaboration. The cathedral also works with DSEC or Diocesan Social Action Center of Dipolog, Knights of Columbus, CWL, and Legion of Mary. Joint projects, relief distribution during floods, outreach to inmates at Dipolog City Jail. DSEC or Diocesan Social Action Center of Dipolog, a church organization that facilitates social services and responds to the needs of the poor and marginalized. Knights of Columbus, CWL, or Catholic Women's League, and Legion of Mary. They are Catholic lay organizations known for their charitable works, evangelization, and community involvement. Joint projects. The cathedral partners with their group for meaningful outreach programs such as relief distribution during floods, providing aid to affected families, outreach to inmates at Dipolog City Jail, offering spiritual and material support to those incarcerated. Conclusion. The Church Outreach Apostolate is not just charity, it's mission. Real change happens when faith is put into action. Each of us is called to be Christ's hands for the least among us.
Go.
The Church Outreach Apostolate is not just charity, it's mission. Helping others is not optional for the Church. It is a vital expression of its identity and purpose. Outreach is a way of living out the teachings of Christ, especially care for the poor and vulnerable. Real change happens when faith is put into action. Faith must go beyond words and prayers. When believers serve others and respond to real life needs, they bring about transformation both in their communities and within themselves.
Go.
Each of us is called to be Christ's hands for the least among us. Every person has a role to play in continuing Christ's work. We are invited to we are invited to serve with love, compassion, and humility, especially towards those who are often forgotten or neglected. This message encourages all believers to take an active role in mission and service, living out their faith by being instruments of God's love in the world.